We have found ourselves a brand new fishing spot. Check out this dock.
School of fish right there.
You see them?
Big fish going in.
All the years I've lived here, I did not know this spot existed until today.
This is nice right here. And where we usually fish is right by those, right past those little trees or whatnot. Never even noticed this was here. I didn't even know where that side road went. River goes out that way.
I think we go home and grab the fishing poles and come back.
Yep.
That's what I think.
Yeah. It's not a bad spot. Never even made it through those.
It's a little bit of a hike to the car. You got to follow this trail all the way down. Car's way over that way somewhere. We were just out driving around. We saw a park entrance and we figured, well, we've never been in here before, so let's take a turn and see what it's all about. I can't believe how many little fiddler crabs there are down there. They're just all over the place.
Yeah, those are the crabs that were at the park at Three Rivers.
Just a whole mess of them.
Little beach.
Yeah.
And then you go over here, there's a nice little gazebo to rest at. Yeah, I think next time Grandma and Randall are available for fishing, we should come over here. Or we come to ourselves. Then we go.
Now I think if you go straight, it goes all the way probably to A1A. I would imagine it's a long way over there though.
It's nice and quiet.
Yeah, there ain't nobody out here but us. Us and the critters. Well, this is,
You see out here, you got gin.
imagine just the way it was before the roads were made, and
It goes like this.
yeah.
Probably didn't
This is the Florida East Coast. We're
even go that way.
Palm Coast. We're just south of St. Augustine. Well, I saw another water
Yeah, the
body right over there.
it cut through the roof. I wonder if it goes to the ocean. I think that river and the ocean connect. It might be reaching through here.
Probably. Look at this here. Look at this. Isn't this just nice? Just come out here and,
Bring the fish poles right here, you can drop them.
man, this is something else right here. I really like this. Look at this.
We
Look
go
at this.
past here all the time.
Just pure nature.
We go past here all the time.
Yeah, this is nature at its finest right here.
Hey, look, more of those crabs are down there.
And more fiddler crabs.
Lots more.
Yeah. Whole lot of oyster shells too. You stomp on, they'll cut your foot right in half. They got them over here. They're all marching like they're all going somewhere. Look at them. Look at them scattering.
They're trying to find shade or something?
I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, I think we're gonna head back to the car here in just a moment, but
Yeah, you
I
probably,
just wanted to check it out. This is a pretty cool little situation here.
you're probably right. It goes to the park.
Yeah, look at this. Look at all this water out here.
Crazy what we don't go to, but we
This is what taking back roads gets you. You find these little nooks and crannies, little dirt roads, and you turn on them and you just drive down, and all of a sudden, boom, you're somewhere that you've never been before. Look at this. Isn't this lovely? This is just absolutely beautiful. For people that love the nature and people love the outdoors, this is it. This is what it's all about right here, folks. And big old bees. Now, you don't want to go walking barefoot through there. You'll get hurt. Look at that. I just love this. Oh, he's leaving me. Better catch up. Doesn't look like we're heading back to the car anytime soon. We like to do this on our days off. We go out and we go exploring, driving to little towns that don't even make it on a map. We like to look around, see what's out there. And you'd be amazed what you see when you get off the interstate. There's a whole lot of Florida that everybody just bypasses. This is just awesome. Absolutely amazing. How much further do you think we're gonna go here? You gonna take it to the end? We could be here a while. The current seems to be going back toward the river. So I don't know where the inlet is.
No, that's a good picture right there.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, this is the real deal right here.
Yeah, before we saw this place, I thought the only fishing spot was right where.
No. Look at this. Just keeps going and going. I'm just curious where this thing comes out at.
You know where I think it comes out at?
What's that?
Remember that dot? Remember where that park is?
The park. Oh.
When we saw that rat.
Oh, you know what?
That's where it comes out at.
Oh man, are you serious? Oh, wait a minute. That's the
There was a little dot.
there's the park right there. See where the fence is all the way up there?
Yeah. I think that might be where it comes out at.
I bet you're right. And that's in Flagler Beach.
I actually said I think we should go
Oh,
up
man.
that dock one day and that one night when we
Yeah,
were
we walked past it and we never did turn and walk it.
we should go on there and see what's over there.
Yeah, well,
So we did.
you might be right. That might be where
We go in a nice fishing spot.
that might be where it's at.
Oh,
Man, this is so nice.
it's quiet too.
Yep.
We got worry about
Yeah, the guy's got a cast net. He's getting himself some bait.
We just stand right here with the foliage catch that.
Yeah.
This is a nice place. And we only live a few minutes away.
Yeah. What is that? Oh, marsh. Check out this tree. Yeah, that's what this fella's doing. He's got a cast net. He's just catching what he can catch. All right, y'all.
Oh,
Something big just jumped over here.
hello.
What in the world was that?
Right there, it looks like.
Yeah, there's some activity going on in there.
Big fish.
Man, I'm telling you what. We've got to come back with the fishing poles. I'm going to cut this video off, y'all. I'll let you know in the description if we ever found the end, but for now, this is what we do best here.
Again, Mark, that's mine.
Just hanging out, enjoying the nature, the peace and quiet. There's nothing to disturb this right here. It's just a wonderful thing. Keep watching for us next time, so whenever we find another little spot, we'll make another video. Take care, y'all.